Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. Just wanted to make another quick video working on this 96 Polaris Sportsman 400 4x4. So when I brought this into the shop, did not have four-wheel drive and didn't run either. Got the engine fixed, just finishing putting it back together. I thought I'd show you why the four-wheel drive didn't work and how I fixed it. So when I got it in the shop here and got the covers off, the chain was laying here broke going to the front axle. And when I looked at the sprocket here, here is the one I took off. You can see it's missing a couple of teeth. It's missing 3 teeth. And this was my chain. You can see it broke. It was all wedged in there. So what I ended up doing was taking this axle out. And the way you do that, there's a pin. You can see it maybe right there. I had to turn it this way. The chain was broken, so it was off and out of the way. And I tried to get a punch in here. I found the right size punch, and I was trying to swing a hammer, and I could not get a swing on a hammer. I could, however, get my air hammer in here, like so. So what I ended up doing was cutting the end of my punch off and welding it onto my air hammer, and then it took that out in just a couple seconds. So at that point I had the axle shaft loose on the splines here. This is spline shaft under here, and it would not quite slide off. So what I had to do was take the ball joint loose. Then I was able to pop the CV. Then I was able to pop the axle shaft off the splines and get it out of the way. At that point there's nothing holding the sprocket on. So I went to slide it out, and I don't know if you can see, the way this sets in here, it was low enough that when I tried to slide the sprocket off, it hit the frame here. So that was unfortunate. So I had to take something else off. So I went under here, and there's a bolt here that is for this eccentric, how you adjust the tension on the front chain. And I had to take that bolt loose and then turn the eccentric. And when I spun it up far enough, then it was able to slide out. So it was just some inconveniences. Not too big of a deal, but just enough to make things annoying. So then I was able to put the new sprocket and the new chain on and put everything back together quite easily. But those are some things you're going to want to know if you are dealing with this front chain and front sprocket. Thanks for watching.